Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the InMobi platform. InMobi platform review, a deep dive into my usage experience. InMobi stands as a leading mobile advertising and marketing platform, purpose-built for businesses seeking to connect with their target audience through mobile-first, AI-driven ad solutions. As one of the largest independent ad networks, InMobi specializes in in-app advertising, offering a robust alternative to the dominant ecosystems of Google and Facebook. It proves particularly advantageous for brands, app developers, and performance marketers aiming to engage mobile audiences on a large scale. For advertisers, InMobi provides advanced targeting capabilities fueled by AI and machine learning. This allows for campaign optimization based on key factors like user behavior, location, device type, and demographics. The platform supports a diverse range of ad formats, including video ads, rich media, native ads, and playable ads, all meticulously designed to maximize user engagement. Furthermore, InMobi facilitates programmatic advertising through the InMobi exchange, simplifying the process for brands to acquire high-quality mobile inventory using real-time bidding. InMobi's dynamic creative optimization (DCO) also personalizes ads based on individual user preferences, contributing to increased conversions. App developers and publishers can leverage InMobi's comprehensive monetization solutions, which seamlessly integrate with existing apps to deliver high-yield ads without negatively impacting the user experience. The platform offers a variety of ad units, such as rewarded video, interstitials, and banner ads, empowering developers to maximize revenue while maintaining high user engagement. With a global reach encompassing billions of devices, InMobi connects publishers with premium demand from top-tier advertisers worldwide. A core strength of InMobi lies in its emphasis on mobile-first, AI-powered ad delivery, ensuring superior performance and enhanced user engagement. Their marketing cloud provides data-driven insights, enabling advertisers to gain a deeper understanding of user journeys and optimize ad spend effectively. The platform is especially effective for brands operating within the gaming, e-commerce, fintech, and entertainment sectors, offering granular audience segmentation and real-time performance tracking. In summary, InMobi presents an excellent option for advertisers seeking to scale their mobile campaigns and for publishers striving to maximize app monetization. Its AI-driven targeting, premium inventory, and programmatic capabilities position it as a compelling alternative to mainstream ad networks. If you're interested in exploring InMobi for your advertising needs, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below.